ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Daka jing temu ban a jing ikai sekipat ba bakim dai ban penyap patharia baro ki kenjam rat ki ba im hapo ka klau bar ben jong ka Nongkhyllem Wildlife Sanctuary ka Tnat Forest ka bahap hapo ka Ribhoi Subdivision Nongpo haga las ngi ublai jong ka arpu santri ka bunai risau arajar arpuai kala peni pat ba ye ki jingro hakenro ki baladro hajan ka office jong ka Tnat Forest bad haga jo ka por la peli pat ba ru ka patrolling camp ka badon haga ni ka klau Hagani ka sngi la sakhilang ru da Principal Chief Conservator uba BK Lingwa Principal Chief Conservator jong ka Tnat Forest Territorial RS Gill Chief Wildlife Warden HC Chowdhury ki samla puli jong ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School bat kentubru ki officer lembat ki nongtray ni ka Tnat Forest
I'm here to give a very short speech on this beautiful painting done here. This is something very new done in our Ribhoi district in Nampo. This is a very unique thing done. It involves the beautiful paintings of the animals found in the wildlife sanctuary of Nongkhyllem, and this is a thing which was never done in Nampo as I've seen. And this is very attractive, especially to our students, the nearby students, the people of Nongpo area. Whenever they see, they used to feel a very refreshment time. And I've seen many people while crossing here, they used to take videos of all this. So this painting is just not unique, it's not just beautiful, but it also makes us aware of what are the animals we have in our district. So it is a very great initiative done by the Nongkhyllem Wildlife Sanctuary. It is really appreciated. So on this day, I would request every people of Nongpo and all the students and even some organization not to write not to spoil this beauty. And those beauty are mainly spoiled by writing something. Most of the times spitting kwai and all. So I would just request every people passing across this road, seeing this painting, not to spoil it, just to see it, be aware, and do their prime duty to conserve our wildlife. At the end, I would like to thank the wildlife sanctuary of Nongkhyllem. I would like to thank the Nampo Wildlife Range under Khasi Hill Wildlife Division.
See, the message of the wildlife wing of the forest department is that there is a lot of our state is very rich in terms of forest, flora and fauna. Now, however, much is not known to our local population because most of our people are city-centric. Most of the population resides in the urban areas. This is a way of creating awareness. We are here utilizing the talents of these artists, channelizing their talents into something which is very productive, which is helping the state government, the forest department, in spreading awareness for wildlife conservation. And one is that, and another thing is also that this is, it showcases the what should I say, good use of spaces rather than having graffiti and untidy pasting of posters and all that. Here we have something being done constructively to educate the people on matters relating to conservation.
This is basically a part of the program for recovery of clouded leopard, which is the state animal of our state. It's a project funded by the Government of India, Ministry of Environment and Forest. So for that, we basically have selected 3 landscape for in situ conservation of clouded leopard as far as told just now. And this is one of the 3 landscape. So major activity under this program is basically to protect the entire habitat by plugging the areas which are plugging the gaps in protection measures, by deploying the people in the areas which are vulnerable to illegal poaching and felling of trees and small other vulnerabilities. So we will be, this is as far as told, this is one of the 10 patrolling camps which we will be constructing in each of these 3 landscapes. Two we have already constructed last year. This is one among them. Second one is at Umar, which sir will be inaugurating today again. Then two we will be constructing this year. We already got sanction. So we will be also be getting. We have already got sanction for deployment of additional local youth to provide support to the existing regular staff. And then apart from that, we will also be undertaking several activities to for the welfare of the people who are living in close vicinity of each of these landscapes by way of small community creation of small community assets and to promote ecologically prudent and ecologically and environmentally sustainable livelihood options in each of three landscapes. We will be undertaking a detailed socio-economic analysis with the help of Aranyak. Aranyak has already been engaged. So they will basically be identifying the recharge activities which we should undertake in each of the landscapes, where people could also earn their livelihood without causing damage to the wild animals and their habitat.